pen them, I see the pen them, come on, you the sweet us. I see the sweet us, he the pen them, I see the pen them, come on, you the sweet us.
Belonging is not personal property. Nobody meets him. He barricades himself. No single soul, even directors, permanent secretaries, mandate secretaries, nobody sees him. They fear him like God. Even we don't fear God the way we fear Wike. And we like that is the way he should be in River State. Please let us understand the fact that we are not against the construction of infrastructure, roads, and amenities in the FCTA administration. They have to be underlined. We are strongly in support and strongly standing on our feet to support the development of the city. But administration and project must meet. Administration, it is human beings that make institutions. Wike has no respect in place for the projects. He collects gratifications. Otherwise, why will he neglect other aspects of administration? Administration go in compatibility, in harmony with project development, with infrastructure development. Because the project you see, the people that drive it are human beings. If you come to the legal contracts they develop, it is the legal secretariat, all the lawyers are no longer, they are overwhelmed. They cannot do. It's just Wike himself single-handedly went to the National Assembly to submit project, 2025 budget. Not even a single director that followed him. But what we used to do, they will send circulars to the various divisions, departments, sections, and units, so that you will now articulate your own vital needs that will make up the entire component of the budget. But you just went there, nobody knows. All the permanent secretaries, the directors, there is no overhead. They fear him like lion. Pardon? Yes, we pray that our demand should not even be met, so that we teach him a lesson. He will never enter here, he can't trust here. And he trusts us. Let me tell you something. The former minister, the governor of Ebonyi State, because he sees Ebonyi people, maybe he sees them as poor. He came from Ebonyi to resume work here, blocking all the staff that they came late at 8 o'clock. He doesn't know that they come from various satellite towns. When the chiefs were down, he ran away. The labor and staff blocked the gate for him. He had to apologize. Wike will apologize before he enters here. When the chiefs are down, we are waiting for him. So we are saying that President Tinubu, our amiable president, His Excellency, the Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, should please remove Tinubu, remove Wike. Wike is a criminal. My name is Dr. Nacho Kapo. I said it. He's a criminal. He's using his eyes to open them. We are standing up. We are ready to collect his bullets. We will die for him today. You understand? Tinubu should remove him. He has destroyed the FCT because he collects 20% overhead advance for projects. So why can't he do all that? Go to the satellite towns. You see refuse dumps everywhere. Are there not projects? This is a city, a global city. They'll come and see refuse dumps everywhere because it's not his concern, because it's not giving him money. So that is relay this message to him. We have endured enough. Before we have escalation of crisis, God forbid it will not reach that level, but we are ready to die for him. Thank you very much. Pardon? My name is Dr. Nnachi Okafor, the former General Secretary, the SY General Secretary of the Joint Unions Action Committee, JUAC. Yes. He doesn't want to know whether staff come to work. And I stand here to tell the whole world that Wike is confronting God because of the kickback he gets. He is now planning to go and integrate after the family. We will never stand it. The welfare of the over 27,000, 30,000 staff, it doesn't happen in the gap for them. No overhead for the departments like the SDAs. Nothing. So, no training, no promotion, no welfare. The salaries are not paid, and when they are paid so late, it will spill over to the next month before we get our salary. How much is the salary? Peanut. Peanut. All the cleaners that clean all the offices, they are sacked them. If you go to the satellite towns, you will see mountains of refuse. Abuja Satellite Towns Development Agency does not clean the streets.
I'm the chairman of Medical Advocacy in the FCTA. I control the 14th General and District Hospitals in FCT. And I said I'm a member of the Joint United Committee. The number you are able to see here today is not enough. By the time we wait for their response and they refuse to respond, tomorrow will be mass. And this place will not contain the rest of us. We are fighting on behalf of 40,000 FCT staff. And every of our demand concern all the 40,000 staff of the FCT. So I believe by this number of staff you see here, very encouraging. But tomorrow will be more than what you are seeing here today.
What you've seen here is a peaceful mammoth crowd of the staff of the FCT administration and the Federal Capital Development Agency, FCTA. It's long overdue. What you see here is a tip of the iceberg, and the action is long overdue. But because of the enduring spirit of the staff, we decided to be patient enough to hold our brief, hoping that one day we'll eat our porridge. But as the days go by, the situation gets worsened. We have discovered that there is no milk for human kindness that runs the vein of Dictator Wike, the FCT minister. He's callous, he's so wicked, so sadistic, he's inhuman. He takes sadistic pleasure to see mankind, anything that has two legs. We cannot have no respect for that person. The only person he respects is Tinubu. He doesn't even respect God. And we have come out today to shoot a single salvo, a catapult. That's what we are shooting today. That's what you have seen here. We have over 30,000 staff of the FCT administration. We have decided to just come with the staff, the executive members of the various unions. Then we will mobilize if we fail to, expedite action on our demand. Good. We have so many problems and challenges, but we have just selected very few as a step in the door. The staff you see here, they hardly receive their training programs. For the past 10 years, no training. And if we came to compound it, we don't have work materials. If you go to the offices, no typewriter, no computers, nothing. Even a paper A4, single A4, to print a memo. We don't have. You go from office to office begging to the extent that you use your own money to buy material to work. We are saying that, telling the whole world that yes, as citizens of this great country, we believe in development, infrastructural development. We like the projects that are going on.
Every minister that have come to FCT have been commissioning projects, and they have been working, they have been performing. But to give it to him is doing well in the area of infrastructure. We are not talking about the area of infrastructure. You see roads, building roads and bridges, and busy commissioning it. But all of people driving the economy, we are staff, we are the one doing the work, and we are not encouraged. For past 3 years now, 2023 to 2025, no promotion. And this FCTA Civil Service Commission that we are talking about, we fought for it with our blood. By the time we realized it and he came on board, it's the minister that is enjoying him more. There is one bringing in all this appointment from the state, from other places. And what we are saying is that you are doing infrastructure, capital development, staff from the FCT should be happy. Like we health workers now, he owed us 13 months arrears, running to about 500,000 plus, and workers are denied. And you know the economy the economy now is very, very harsh. So if we cannot do it now, then it will be very, very wrong. So that's why we are now saying that we should listen to our demand. Coming from us, I remember